So you already speak and understand some English, more or less. But now you have a terrible grammar mess in your head. You need to structure everything. You want to finally learn the difference between I ate too much, I have eaten too much, and I have been eating too much. And to use these tenses correctly, and not to sound like a monkey. If that's you, this is the right course for you. This is a full grammar course where I cover every part of English grammar in easy words that anyone would understand. I'll be going slowly, explaining everything step by step so you never feel lost. And every once in a while, you will be taking a test to check your progress. And if you still fail to understand something, drop a line in the chat and I'll be there to help. And here's the best part. Every example in each lesson is a beautiful cartoon with its own characters and events. Because we all know that seeing the moving picture is so much better than looking at a talking teacher near the whiteboard. And it's a known scientific fact that such a method is 10 times more effective and fun than regular whiteboard lessons. So if you finally want to learn how to use all English tenses, conditionals, the if sentences, active and passive voices, and so much more.
So, subscribe to our channel English Experts and press the bell icon so you can get notifications of our new video daily. Also like the video and it with your family and friends so they can also learn English easily. Thank you.